Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to Ad FM 21.30, your special place for stories that touch the heart, moments that make you smile, and love that lingers in the air. I'm your host, Divya, bringing you another night filled with emotions, romance, and a little bit of magic. You know, love has a way of finding us when we least expect it. Sometimes, it's in the eyes of a stranger across a crowded street, and sometimes, it's hidden in a wrong number that turns out to be just right. Tonight, I have a beautiful story for you, one that begins with a simple missed call but ends in a love so deep, it feels like destiny. So, sit back, close your eyes, and let's dive into the love story of Siddharth and Sweetie. The missed call that changed everything. Siddharth was never the kind of guy who believed in fate. He believed in logic, planning, and making things happen. But that one evening, fate had its own plans. It was just another hectic day at work. Siddharth had wrapped up his meetings, exhausted, and while scrolling through his contacts to call his best friend, his fingers slipped. Ring, ring. Before he could cancel, someone picked up. Hello? A soft, confused voice answered. Siddharth frowned. It was a girl. Definitely not his friend. He checked the number again, wrong contact. He was about to hang up when she spoke again. Are you the pizza guy? I've been waiting for my order. Siddharth chuckled. Oh, no, but now I kinda wish I was. What kind of pizza are we talking about? She laughed, and just like that, a conversation began. Her name was Sweetie, and she had a voice that felt like a warm hug on a cold night. She was funny, quick-witted, and full of life. They talked for a few minutes, about random things, about the worst pizza deliveries ever, and even about how accidents sometimes lead to the best surprises. When the call ended, Siddharth smiled. It was the first time in a long time that a stranger had made his day better. Days passed, and for some reason, Siddharth couldn't get her voice out of his head. So, he did something he never thought he would, he called her again. Hey, it's the non-pizza guy. Still waiting for your order? Sweetie burst into laughter. Took you long enough. I was starting to think I got scammed. And just like that, a pattern formed. Late night calls, morning texts, and a bond that felt effortless. Siddharth, the guy who planned everything, found himself looking forward to the unpredictable. But just as quickly as fate brought them together, it decided to test them. One day, Sweetie stopped picking up. Days turned into weeks. No messages, no calls. It was as if she had disappeared. Siddharth, who once thought she was just a random stranger, now realized she was so much more. Was it all just a passing moment? Had he imagined the connection? Then, one evening, his phone rang. An unknown number. His heart pounded as he answered. Hello? And there it was, her voice. You're really bad at calling the right numbers, Siddharth. So, I thought I'd call you instead. His breath caught. Where have you been? Sweetie sighed. I lost my phone, and with it, your number. I was afraid I'd never hear from you again. Siddharth exhaled, a slow smile forming. You know, I never believed in fate before. But if a wrong number can bring me to you, maybe, just maybe, it's real after all. Sweetie laughed. So, do you want to get that pizza now? And just like that, love found its way through a simple missed call. Love works in mysterious ways, doesn't it? Sometimes, it's waiting for us in the most unexpected places, even in a misdialed number. What about you? Have you ever had a love story that started in the strangest way? Share it with me, and who knows, maybe your story will be the next one we tell here, on Ad FM 21.30. Until then, keep your hearts open, your dreams alive, and remember, love always finds a way. Sweet dreams, my dear listeners.